Have you ever pondered about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, or perhaps how it's made? Diving into the world of everyday items, we often overlook the marvels that are right under our noses. One such marvel that has been gaining popularity for its wide-ranging uses is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, often lovingly referred to as ACV, is not just a staple in our pantries, but also a star in the world of natural health remedies. It's a common ingredient in many dishes, yet its potential reaches far beyond the kitchen. From being a cleaning agent to a beauty elixir, ACV has established its place in our lives in more ways than one. But what really is apple cider vinegar? How does it transition from being a simple apple to a bottle of versatile liquid? The process is as fascinating as the product itself. It's a journey that starts in an orchard and ends in our homes, undergoing a magical transformation along the way. The path that apple cider vinegar treads is a testament to the wonders of nature and human innovation. It's a process that's been perfected over centuries, passed down through generations. It involves the simple yet incredible process of fermentation, where the sweet, juicy apples are transformed into a tangy, health-boosting elixir. The allure of apple cider vinegar isn't just limited to its making process. It's also about the numerous health benefits it offers. From helping with weight loss to improving heart health, the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar are extensive and impressive. It's a testament to the power of natural ingredients and their role in promoting health and wellness. Yet, in the midst of its popularity, apple cider vinegar remains shrouded in mystery. How exactly is it made? What makes it so beneficial for our health? These are questions that often circle around, creating a sense of intrigue and curiosity about this simple, yet powerful, product. Today we unravel the mystery behind apple cider vinegar, its making process, and the numerous health benefits it offers. Join us as we embark on this journey, exploring the wonders of apple cider vinegar and its role in our lives. The making of apple cider vinegar is a simple yet fascinating process. So let's delve into this journey of transformation from a humble apple to the potent apple cider vinegar. Our story begins with the star of the show, the apple. Apples are first harvested, washed, and then crushed or chopped into fine bits to extract their juice. This juice, loaded with the natural sweetness of apples, forms the base for our apple cider vinegar. Once we have the juice, it's time to introduce the first player in our fermentation process, yeasts. These tiny organisms are added to the apple juice where they feast on the naturally occurring sugars, converting them into alcohol. This process, known as alcoholic fermentation, transforms our sweet apple juice into hard cider. But we're not making cider here. We're after something with a bit more tang, vinegar, and this is where the second stage of fermentation comes in. For this, we need another group of microorganisms called acetic acid bacteria. When these bacteria are introduced to the hard cider, they get to work, converting the alcohol into acetic acid. This process is known as acetic fermentation. The acetic acid gives the vinegar its distinctive sour taste and strong smell. But the process doesn't stop there. To ensure the highest quality vinegar, the mixture is allowed to ferment for several weeks or sometimes even months. Patience is key here. The longer the mixture ferments, the more complex and robust the flavors become. Throughout this fermentation period, something interesting happens. A gelatinous substance forms on the top of the mixture. This is known as the mother of vinegar. While it may not look appealing, the mother is packed with beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and proteins, making it a highly prized component of apple cider vinegar. After the fermentation period is over, the vinegar is strained to remove any solids. It is then pasteurized to kill any remaining bacteria and extend its shelf life. But before it makes its way to your kitchen, the vinegar undergoes one final step: testing. Each batch of vinegar is tested for acidity levels, ensuring it meets the strict guidelines for apple cider vinegar. Only after it passes this stringent test does it earn the right to be called apple cider vinegar. In essence, the process of making apple cider vinegar is a beautiful dance between nature and science, where simple apples are transformed into a potent elixir through the magic of fermentation. It is a testament to the wonders of nature and the ingenuity of human innovation. And that, my friends, is how the humble apple transforms into the potent apple cider vinegar that we all know and love. Now that we know how apple cider vinegar is made, let's delve into its numerous health benefits. Apple cider vinegar, often simply referred to as ACV, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues. This humble vinegar packs a punch when it comes to benefits, and science backs it up. Firstly, apple cider vinegar is a known ally for those trying to lose weight. It contains acetic acid, a short-chain fatty acid that dissolves into acetate and hydrogen in your body. Acetic acid can help boost your metabolism, reduce your appetite, and ultimately aid in weight loss. A study conducted over 12 weeks showed that participants who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily saw a significant decrease in body weight, belly fat, and waist circumference. Apple cider vinegar also plays a role in controlling blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. The acetic acid in ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar responses after meals. In a study, it was found that consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed reduced fasting blood sugar by 4% the following morning. Remember though, that while apple cider vinegar can assist in managing blood sugar levels, it should not replace medical treatment for diabetes. Another incredible benefit of apple cider vinegar is its potential to improve heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and the risk factors associated with it can be influenced by your diet. Studies in rats have shown that apple cider vinegar can reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels, as well as blood pressure, all important factors in heart health. While more research is needed in humans, these findings are promising. Apple cider vinegar also has antimicrobial properties. It's been used for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. However, it's important to note that while vinegar can kill some types of bacteria, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. It's also worth mentioning that apple cider vinegar promotes a healthy gut. Its fermentation process results in a substance known as the mother, which is rich in probiotics. These probiotics can help improve digestion and support a healthy immune system. Lastly, apple cider vinegar has been shown to have a protective effect against cancer. Studies have shown that vinegar can kill cancer cells and shrink tumors, although these studies were conducted in test tubes or rats and more research is needed in humans. Before you rush off to stock up on apple cider vinegar, remember that while it has numerous health benefits, it's not a cure-all. It's always crucial to maintain a balanced diet and regular exercise routine, and to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. It's quite amazing to think that this simple vinegar can offer such a plethora of health benefits. Apple cider vinegar is indeed a wonder of nature, but there are a few key points to remember. This marvel is born from the simple apple transformed through a 2-step fermentation process. First, yeasts feast on the sugars in apple juice, turning them into alcohol. Then, in step 2, bacteria known as Acetobacter help convert the alcohol into acetic acid. Voila! It's apple cider vinegar. But it's not just the process that's fascinating. It's the myriad of health benefits that this humble vinegar brings to the table. Apple cider vinegar is a powerhouse, packed with a wealth of nutrients like potassium, amino acids, and antioxidants. It's also known for its probiotic properties thanks to the mother, that cloudy, cobweb-like substance you might see floating in the bottle. From aiding digestion to helping control blood sugar levels, apple cider vinegar is a versatile tool for wellness. It's been known to support weight loss efforts by promoting feelings of fullness, and its antimicrobial properties can help fend off harmful bacteria. But as is with everything, caution is crucial. Apple cider vinegar is acidic and can be harsh if consumed undiluted. It's best to mix it with water or incorporate it into your meals as a dressing or marinade. Overconsumption can lead to adverse effects like tooth enamel erosion or upset stomach. And while apple cider vinegar is a wonderful addition to a healthy lifestyle, it's not a magic bullet. It can support your health and wellness goals, but it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Also, if you're managing any chronic health conditions, it's always a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider before adding apple cider vinegar to your regimen. This ensures that it won't interfere with any medications you may be taking or exacerbate any existing health conditions. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to apple cider vinegar. Use it wisely and enjoy its numerous benefits.